Good morning, traders. Today we're going to look at the stock that was doing well on Friday and even is doing well today. So that's American Airlines. So let's look at weekly chart first. We could see it's starting to peak out above its 55 moving average on the weekly chart. So now we'll go down to the daily 3-month on this barchart.com. It's above 100 on the CCI. Volume's green, more than it was the day before. So this is Friday's move from 1778 to 1883 for a stock move of about 7%. And today it's actually up, let's see, almost 20 and 50. So while those moves don't look too huge, let's look at the options chart. So expiring this Friday, looking at the 18 call, you can see they're not showing the prices, so I'll switch to my broker. So even just looking at Friday, if we would have taken the signal of the weekly and just took a shot at this, we could have got in about 8, went as high as 83. And if we look at today's, let's see, how much is it for this week's expiration? 18 is almost $300. So that's what is it? From 8 to 83 would be a 937% gain. And if you would have held it till today, from 8 to almost 300, for almost a 3,600% gain. Even getting half of that or a quarter of that would be great. So keep your eye on this, as seems these stocks go up when the market goes down. The airlines, the Carnival Cruise Lines, those are all up today. So just something to look at. When the market goes down, the VIX goes up, and these stocks go up also. All the airlines are up, and all the cruising lines are up. All right, so good luck today. Hopefully we can find one of these. Look for something with volume that goes up in the past 5 days. Look at this chart right here. It was going up for 3 days, down 1 day, and then popped back up. And now it's some strong volume today. So if you want to stay in it or go out another week or two with your calls. All right, so good luck with that. Talk to you soon.